Question tells the computer how to use its components. Answer operating. Next question, which is the primary memory of the computer? Answer RAM, ROM and PROM. Next question, maximum buttons, minimum buttons and close buttons are visible on dash in any window. Answer title bar. Next question, computer hardware which is made of silicon can store data in large quantities is called answer chip. Next question, what type of instrument is the keyboard? Answer input. Next question, raw facts are called dash whereas meaningful data dash becomes answer data information. Next question, generally checking in more powerful or new sophisticated version of hardware components is called answer upgrading. Question, printed information called printed information exists in its physical form and is output in a more permanent form than the output presented on the display device. Answer hard copy. Next question, basic is most suitable. Answer A for time sharing system and B for use in microcomputer. Next question, how many letters are there in a barcoding? Answer 10. Next question, which operating system is not owned or licensed by any company? Answer Linux. Next question, computer hardware that can store a large amount of data is called answer magnetic tape and B disk. Next question, error is also called answer bug. Next question, Excel stores its document in the form of files called dash answer worksheets. Next question, database management system is there? Answer software used to create, maintain and provide controlled access to the database. Question, scanner is called computer eye. Next question, which contains information about a single entity like person, place, event or thing in a database? Answer record. Next question, sending emails is similar to the following. Answer writing a letter. Next question, when you work on the document on PC, where is the document temporarily stored? Answer RAM. Next question, dash means that the data kept in the database is accurate and reliable. Answer data integrity. Next question, dash is a collection of sorted and delta related information in the form of a unit. Answer data. Next question, dash refers to the RAM in the computer. Answer random access memory. Next question, dash are graphical objects which represent commonly used applications. Answer icon. Question, what is the full form of IT? Answer information technology. Next question, contents of active cell are displayed in answer formula. Next question, how many bits of data does each ALU decode at a time? Answer 32 bit. Next question, programming is most difficult. Answer in the machines. Next question, what is the purpose of the primary keys in the database? Answer unique identification of records. Next question, which of these buttons is used? Toggle buttons. Answer bold, italic and underline. Next question, saving in the process of which of the following? Answer to copy document from memory to storage medium. Next question, the mouse technique used to access the object's properties in dash. Answer right clicking.